Welcome to our chocolate factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Roasted cocoa beans are ground and blended to create the base of rich chocolate.
Texture levels are looking good.
Consistency metrics are holding steady on my end.
Every batch is refined, tempered, and tested for perfect taste and texture.
Every chocolate bar is carefully checked before leaving the factory.
And that's how chocolate is made. We're in. From cocoa beans to delicious treats.